Hello and welcome to our second edition of our Greek-themed menu. These are our roasted cauliflower Spanakopita melts. As you will see, we placed these on top of our Greek pilaf. Put on a nice little platter. It serves about 4 people. You can find the ingredients and the recipe at plantobefit.org/blog. First step is to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. While that is heating up, go ahead and trim off some of your cauliflower just to kind of smooth it out. Then you're going to cut about 3 to 4 steaks. They're about 1 inch thick. We were able to get 4 in this particular cauliflower, but if you would like thicker steaks, go ahead and use 2 cauliflower heads. Great thing about this recipe is that you get the traditional Greek spinach pie flavor, but you don't have the phyllo dough, which makes a nice addition to any weeknight dinner because it takes about 45 minutes to make. Versus the traditional pie, it'll take quite a while. After you've cut these steaks down to size, you're going to go ahead and oil them on both sides with some olive oil. So turn them over on both sides. Make sure you get them nice and covered with the olive oil. Then you add some salt, and then you're going to add some salt and pepper on both sides. You're going to stick it into the oven. You're going to cook it for about 16 minutes on one side, and then you're going to flip them over, and you're going to cook them for another 16 minutes for a total of about 32 minutes. While those are cooking, go ahead and get a small saute pan. Heat it up with some olive oil. Add your shallots and cook for about a minute or two until they're nice and sweating. Then you're going to add your spinach. You're just going to keep cooking until it wilts. Then you're going to add your garlic, your dried herbs, your pepper. You're going to stir that around for about another 2 to 3 minutes until you get the nice fragrance that you're looking for. Once that's all done, you're going to go ahead and place that into a medium-sized bowl. And from there, you're going to add your ricotta cheese and your feta cheese. You're going to stir that around. You can just set that aside until your cauliflower is completely done in the oven. Once your cauliflower is done, you're just going to take a couple teaspoons per steak of the cheese, put it on top, and then you're going to top that with the grated cheese. You're going to put that in the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is melted and you got a nice little brown spots on top of the cheddar cheese. Once that's done, take that out of the oven. I would recommend carefully take the steak, put it on top of your rice, and then serve it to your guests. Again, this serves about 4 people. It takes about 45 minutes. It is a delicious, full of flavor, very low calorie since it doesn't have the phyllo and whatnot. And there you go. That's the finished product. Again, the recipe can be found at plantobefit.org/blog. Thank you for visiting. Have a great rest of your day.